Hi, happy birthday to me. A year older and a year wiser. Not really sure about that. Anyway, I want to make this video to thank each and every one of you for making my birthday unforgettable. So birthday aren't really a thing back in Myanmar, and back when I was, I think until secondary 1, secondary 2, I never really celebrated my birthday. So yeah, every birthday, every celebration that I have here in Singapore, I think I treasure it, and I want to keep it as a memory. So yeah, this is how my birthday went.
So today is Sabu's birthday and he doesn't know that I bought a cake, so let's surprise him. I bought his favorite ondeh cake. Yeah, let me show you. He gave like these cute candles and this birthday sign. So waiting for him to come home, so I'm just gonna sit here, and once I hear the door opening, I'll surprise him with the cake. Happy birthday!
Oh, hi. Thank you.
I've been standing like here for like 5 minutes. Congrats on breaking the world record
Oh,
for being the oldest pig alive.
okay, can I blow?
No, you have to make a wish first.
Oh, Taro. Taro, come here. Let's make a wish. Okay. Okay, oh my god. What's this? What's this? Make a wish. Happy birthday. Okay.
It's cake cutting time.
Happy birthday. Okay, do I press this?
I have no idea.
On the Kula Malacca juice. Diabetes.
Everyone's eating that.
Ooh. So sweet. Just drip it.
Yeah.
Drip. Cake is very hard. Very cute. I wish my bank account this year will be this high. Thank you. Then we can travel to Norway. There you go. Yummy. Drip.
Forever?
Yes! Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Nice, you just show you.
Alright, so a little update. I think this year, this birthday, it's been I don't know, this year it's been not up and down, it's just down and down. And yeah, I even made a video about depression. That's how bad my 2024 so far. So yeah, I'm just going to, turn it around, trying to turn it around by traveling more, making what I love and doing what I love. And yeah, just finding myself back together. So yeah. Anyway, I want to take this chance to share with you guys a little restaurant called Le Petit, and it was one of the best dining experience I've ever had. The food was okay, right? Some of the dishes I think I can cook it, but the presentation, the whole experience. So basically, they will shine like a projector and little animation on your plate. And there will be a little chef, six centimeter tall, small little guy. He will just put up ingredients that are in the dish, and then when the real dish arrives, it's exactly like that. And this whole 4-5 course meal was just fun, I would say. And when you're having so much fun, so enjoying so much, you actually forgot how good the food is. I don't really judge the food that much. I was just after the animation, I would just be like, oh, it smells so nice. And I would just be eating a lot. And yeah, the portions are huge, can't really finish all of them, but I still managed to stuff it in because my mom told me don't waste food. Anyway, yeah, that's one of the exciting, interesting dining experience that I've ever had. So yeah, enjoy this vlog.
T-shirt dining experience created by Spermaby. Let me give you a couple of tips in order to get the best experience. Please remove your personal items which is perfectly aligned with a magical circular light. Please silence your phone so as not to disturb the other guests. And now, without further ado, allow me to introduce to you, all the way from France, measuring 6 centimeters. Ladies and gentlemen, here's
Oh, and also apologize for the flickering footages, because I never really brought my camera, or my DJI small little camera. I shot everything on my iPhone, so yeah, that's the best I can show you guys.
One, two, three, four. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. And clap, clap, clap. Now the music is a lot faster, so everybody please hold out your hands and get ready. You're gonna start really soon. And let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. Clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. Clap, clap.
Where's your chicken dance?
Distribute your desserts before we start. Now in a moment's time, you will be given a jug of water. This jug of water, raise up your hands. We will come by with lighters to help you.
Anyway, I want to say thank you again for everyone who wished me happy birthday, those people who took me out for lunch, dinner, cocktails, beers. So yeah, once again, thank you guys so much. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.